Hey there, food lovers. Today I'm thrilled to share a little kitchen secret with you, the ultimate recipe for making the perfect chicken gravy. Trust me, this is a game changer for your meals. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Grab some chicken drippings. That's the gold right there. If you don't have enough, you can always top it up with a bit of chicken stock. Next, you need flour, butter, and some seasoning. Salt and pepper will do just fine. Oh, and don't forget a sprig of fresh thyme for that extra kick of flavor. Now, onto the fun part, making the gravy. Start by melting the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once it's all nice and melty, sprinkle in the flour while whisking continuously. This is crucial because we want to cook out the raw flour taste without burning it. Keep stirring until you get a light, golden, bubbly mixture. Smells good already, doesn't it? Next, slowly pour in the chicken drippings or stock while you keep whisking. This is where the magic happens, folks. As you whisk, you'll see the mixture transform into a smooth, velvety gravy. Lower the heat and let it simmer gently. Throw in that sprig of thyme and a bit of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir and let it all meld together for a few more minutes. And there you have it. Silky, rich chicken gravy that will elevate any meal from good to spectacular. Whether you're drizzling it over a Sunday roast or mopping it up with some fluffy mashed potatoes, this gravy is sure to impress. Remember, the key to perfect gravy is patience and love. So take your time, taste as you go, and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Cooking is not just about feeding the stomach, it's about feeding the soul. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.